Alright guys, welcome back. Middle of the day, lunchtime. So I'm taking a little bit of time out of my lunch to make a video for you guys. This is the room I showed you yesterday that was in the dark, so I'm not bitter or anything about the comment about the video being too dark. Not at all. So I wanted to show you guys in the daylight what it looks like. Just this big open room. It's going to be a little theater right here, TV over there. And so we got the 3 lights here, 2 lights here in the middle, and then another 3 lights here. So just got the switch plugs around the outside, and then I'll show you what I've been working on today. Basically cut this hole right here for a switch, cut this hole over here for this plug, another switch plug right here. So it's just the way this focuses, it gets dark or not. So and then the other side, I ran a jumper from this switch over to this switch for power, and then for the plugs, this plug goes down over to there, over there, and then this one goes back up and over to there. And it's just so dark the way that it focuses. It's not always my fault, but so I got it stapled nice and tight up along the top, a little bubbly, not the straightest, but see just the way this auto focuses. So anyways, so now I'm working on inside this room. I just gotta make this short because I gotta go eat lunch. So I'm working on wiring this right now. So I got this is gonna be a switch here, a 2-gang, 1 switch for the plugs on the left, switch for the light on the right. So this is gonna be a switch plug right here, and then this hops up and over to here, and then just a regular plug out to here, and then a regular plug on the backside at this wall, and then to there. So just make it short here for you guys. I'm gonna go eat lunch. Thanks for stopping by. Hopefully this was bright enough for you and brightens your day. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. If you like this, give it a thumbs up. If you're stopping by the first time, give it a subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to catch me on live stream. Thanks. See you later. Peace.